Welcome back into my office. I'm Brian, and we're here today to examine, numerous items, but we're going to start with this chemistry set, which is very pleasing, very scarce, and in a very nice antiquarian full leather binding, like so. I'll show the exterior of both books to show the condition. Very handsome looking set with the marbled edges. The foredge of the boards is gilt ruled. There are hand marbled end papers like so. The set is imprinted New Haven, Connecticut, 1830 in 2 volumes, Benjamin Silliman, well known. And it's the Elements of Chemistry at Yale College with an early signature on the title page, which I believe is an enhancement to the set. No doubt that name could be researched. He almost certainly attended Yale, although it's hard to say, it's irrelevant, but it would be interesting to research that. The flow of material through my hands, I just simply can't go down every path and avenue for the rate of flow that we've got passing through here. So I do a little bit of research and then just move the item along to the next home. And so it provides opportunities for someone to further dig into the contents of the background of the items. This little manuscript leaf addressed to Mr. Otis Everett Jr. in Boston was with the set, so I'm going to leave it in. It appears to be somehow related to the contents of the set, so I'll leave that right as it was. The leather is still supple. There's some staining, like so, perhaps from being in a laboratory. But the set itself, both volumes, are tight and sound. As you can see, they're very well preserved. There's an early owner's stamp. It looks like he might have been a medical doctor. Here we have the same signature on the title page. This year is 1 year later, 1831. But it's a complete set. It's not married, it's as issued. Small little illustrations scattered throughout, like so. And basically the paper is well preserved. Some small minor spotting, a little bit of normal toning, but nothing offensive or heavy. And we have this engraved fold-out plate like so, followed by this one as well. Followed by this one as well, like so. And there we go. There's an extensive detailed index at the rear. And now you have seen how the set survives. And if it interests you, it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.